Ni hao, hello and welcome again to the Doogee Show. Today we're gonna do a review for the Hitman DG850. First of all, we're gonna have a look under the hood to see what this one comes with. It's a quad-core 1.3 GHz MediaTek. It comes with 1 GB of RAM, and 16 GB of ROM. It comes with a 2500 mAh battery, a 13 megapixel OP sensor, and a 8 megapixel wide angle, 88-degree front-facing camera. It also comes with a true flash, back touch panel. We talk about that later, and internally inside the phone comes with a 4.4 Android KitKat. Real, genuine Android. The frame, as we said before, is an alloy of aluminum and thin. It's made with high precision machinery in 40 steps. The back is made of a 9-layer cover with different materials to make it resistant and to feel nice in your hand. Another interesting feature outside is the frame. It's made of an alloy of aluminum and zinc. It's really resistant, really hard. The battery comes integrated, making the phone lighter and thinner. The screen is a high resolution 5 inches IPS. It comes with an OTG USB outside, microphone, speaker, and with an infrared sensor that allows you to control devices like air conditioners, TVs, etc. Now we're going to demonstrate how does the infrared control we have in the Hitman 850 works. First thing we do is we go to menu and we enter this application called iRemote. Leave it to start. We have one preset here, but we're going to add another one. So as you see, we have TVs, step boxes, audio systems. We have a lot of different devices, and we even have user-defined, so we can even define our own remote. Since this is a TV, we select TV, and as you can see, we have a lot of brands over here. So yours is going to be in this list. This is a LG, so we select LG, and the application comes with different types of TVs inside. So first thing we have to do is to check if the first one is the one that works for us. What we do, we press, first of all, we try these 3 controls over here, and if they work, we have to select this model. So we press power, and it will ask every time if does this key work with your device. If it works, as here, we have to say yes. You see it's starting, so no problem. So next we try volume up. We try again. Yeah, we have volume up, so we say yes. And finally we try mute, and we have mute. We say yes. So we have the 3 working, so we add this remote. Once it is added, we can control the TV just like any normal remote. We can go channel up, volume down, menu. We just go to the menu and we can navigate through the menu, select, just like you would do with your normal phone. And we even have an advanced mode over here. And as you can see, the other remotes we installed earlier is still here, so you can have several devices in here together and select the one you want to use in that moment. It's important to point out that the screen, besides being 5 inches, is made by Sharp, and it's got a resolution of 1280p. Now let's have a look at the camera. The camera, as we said before, is a 13 megapixel camera and comes with several software functions, including command by voice, beautification, landscape, including panorama function. Let me show you. Now we're in panorama function. and all I have to do is turn it around and match the errors. And I get a it can be made much longer. It also comes with the typical video function. You can obviously, like always, select rear facing camera. And once you're in rear facing, you can always press the back touch panel over here and take a selfie. Finally, you have plenty of other options here to explore, like GPS, command by voice, face detection, self-timer, control by microphone, etc, etc, time lapse, etc, etc, etc. Now let's talk about the software functions included in this phone. We go here to the application called Touch Lens, and we have what we before we call the smart wake up settings. As many of you may know, once it's activated, let's not forget to activate it first actually. You can see you can select any function you want, but let's demonstrate, for example, C right now. So we go directly to our contacts or to dial. That can be reset to any value we want. For example, now I want C to open the camera. C for camera, right? So just try again. And now C opens the camera directly. Another interesting function is what we call the 3 fingers fast screenshot. Just by putting your 3 fingers on the screen and going down, you can take a screenshot of any, but this one, of any screen. And it goes directly to your gallery. Also, it's worth mentioning that this phone comes with hot nod. And in addition, we have this sensor over here that allows you to browse through your phone, navigate through the menus without having to touch it. Just pass your hand or finger in front of it. It also allows you to skip a song, take pictures, and browse through the internet without having to touch your phone when, for example, your hands are dirty. Finally, at Doogee we have developed an application that allows you to protect your personal data and block specific applications in your phone. It's the app encryption over here. How does it work? First, we have to set a password. And now we set a new password. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. We press done. And now we select applications we want to block. In this case, for example, let's block our Gmail. So nobody can access our Gmail without the code. So now, if I go to my Gmail and I try to open it, I must enter the right password or the system will lock me out till I enter the right one. 6. You can protect any application in your phone with this blocking software. That's all for today. We hope you like our Hitman DG850. As always, if you have any comment or you want to know anything about our phones, just leave a comment below. Give us a thumb up if you like our show, and see you next week in the Doogee Show.